next level.
Good morning, everyone. Just here at my local paint shop, and I have something pretty exciting today. We're going to be getting one of the Graco Handheld sprayers. There's a lot of videos out there on them, but I haven't found a video yet that shows what I want to do with it and how it's going to save me time. What I want to do is, say you have a repaint and you have a cornice or crown molding around the perimeter of the ceiling. I want to be able to just go and spray it all up real quick to save us getting up and down the ladder and cutting it all in. So that's what we're going to use it for. We're at the local paint place and they cost about $699. So we're going to pick one up, we're going to sheet up, and we're going to give it a go. Just want to pick up one of these. So you're the number one repairer for these. Yeah, what is the number one thing that goes wrong with these?
I can't do it. Come on, it's terrible.
No, I'm just asking a simple question. You're about to answer.
Hang on, let's roll back.
All right,
hang on a second.
Back.
I need to figure out something. Is this whole like pump?
Yep. Is that because they're not washed out properly, or what?
It's just wear and tear, really. They're only designed to use a couple litres, not to do a whole house.
So we're planning to spray all the corners in this house. Mm-hmm.
Which people get mistaken for. But if you're going to repair it, pretty simple though. So that's it there. So it's pretty simple for you to do it, if it ever came to that. What it is you just pull that out, purchase one of them,
Yep.
and then that just inserts
Straight back in
straight
there.
back in. Do it up, prime it, and then it's just good to go.
All right. Interesting to see inside, huh? So that's the number one thing that goes to the pump.
That's the only thing that I know of that can go wrong with them.
Yeah.
You can replace these two here,
Yep.
but haven't had any luck with them so far. So we just replace the whole pump.
Yep. That way you know you're going to fix the problem.
That way you know it's done.
Yeah.
But that's all that can go wrong with it, besides the motor.
And what's the pump worth?
I think about 400, I think.
Yep.
400 or 300.
Yep. Is there any kind of warranty?
I have to check on that one. Depends on what you're using it for.
Yeah.
That's what the warranty covers. I'll have to check in that manual.
Yeah.
But it's normally 1 year. 1 year warranty. Which is pretty good for one of these things.
Yeah, I should have got one of those. I got the Wagner FC 3500, but it doesn't spray upside down, and I really wanted it for cornice and that sort of thing.
That's what's good with these ones now. You can spray them upside down.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
That they're gravity fed, so it's not gravity fed, sorry.
They're not gravity fed, so yeah.
So
it's better.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome back. Just picked up the Graco sprayer. We've got it sitting right there. Tim from the paint place here in Milton. Champion guy. If you ever need anything, or if you need any service inquiries, hit him up. He knows what he's talking about. Very willing to help. Not very willing to jump on the camera though. But thanks very much, and I'm really excited to get this to the job site to test it out. Alright, today I just bought the Graco cordless airless sprayer. $6.99. I've been meaning to get one of these for a long time. They've been out for quite a while now, at least every year, maybe between a year and 2 years. And the first question I asked was, can they spray upside down? Can they spray cornices? I've got a Wagner FC finish control 3500, and it's like a fine finisher. It doesn't spray upside down, it's gravity fed. This one works off pressure and suction. So when I found out that this could be sprayed in any angle, I thought I need to get one of these. The number one reason why I wanted to get one of these is to spray cornice. Just go around and spray the cornice as if you were using a regular sprayer. And I think it's going to save a lot of time. I don't think there's a lot of overspray. First you have to sheet up and take your precautions anyway. But if you're painting the walls anyway, even on a repaint, like we're going to do today, we're going to see if it's going to save us time, and we're going to give it a good test. So we're planning to spray all the cornice in this house. And that's going to save us a lot of time from going up and down the ladder and cutting in. James arrived just now. Let's open it up. Doing a video, Jamesy. Come on in and have a look. Comes in a nice carry bag. We've got a DeWalt charger. I used to run with DeWalt. Do you remember that, James?
Yeah, I think so.
They didn't have many tools back then, but now they do. And now that I have a battery and charger, now I can start looking at their products. I've been using a lot of AEG or Rigid. So here's the sprayer. It works on pressure, so you open this up, you squeeze all the air out once the paint's in.
Yeah.
And then there you go. So you kind of prime it by doing that.
Yeah.
Pretty light. Pretty good.
Is that battery?
Battery operated. Yeah. DeWalt 20 volt batteries. You have a cup there. It comes with 3 other cups. Also, you can get larger cups as well. And these little lids that pop on and off these caps, apparently they can break pretty easy because they're plastic. They snap off and you lose them, so they come with a few spares. It'd be the DeWalt 20 volt battery. 18 volt. The Americans get the 20 volt. Maybe the Ultra Max. There's a couple of different styles. There's the Ultra Max, which spray oil-based paints, but you need to have some kind of ground line, earth line, or you could get yourself zapped and start a fire. So this is just the simple version. Just sprays water-based paints. There's a couple of batteries. So we're going to get them on charge straight away. And that's it. You got instructions. That's pretty much it. A good little carry bag. Alright, so let's get this charged up. We'll sheet up inside.
Yeah.
Test it out.
Drive up here, eh?
Hey?
It'd be right to drive up here.
Yeah, man, drive up there. Yeah.
Yep.
And we'll sheet up a few rooms and get it going.
Yep. Right, where do you want to set up in here?
Let's get that room there. Alrighty. Alright, so I've charged the batteries here, and we're going to put a bit of ceiling paint, water-based ceiling flat. So we have our cup. Now you don't need to thin it down, you just do it straight out of the bucket. Spill. No worries. It's about to get a lot worse. We don't have any rags here. Just a bit of this drop sheet. Alrighty. We're just in a hurry to use this. And then screw it on. You want to see when I got that Wagner one?
Yeah.
When I poured it for the first time, I like poured the oil-based paint all over the whole machine. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I think so.
I got a clip of it.
Pour that paint over that and doing those tables and cabinets.
Yeah?
Remember
No. Oh, no, you picked up a drum. I had the machine here.
Yeah.
The Wagner spray, brand new. You picked up a drum, you thought the lid was on, and you thought you went to go shake it up. Remember?
That was you. You shook
Oh,
it up.
I went to shake it up.
Yeah, you shook it up because I opened the lid and I didn't tell you.
Anyway, what you do here, James,
Yep.
is you're squeezing the air through.
Yep.
You can feel the air coming up.
Yep.
And once this little reservoir fills halfway up,
Oh, yeah.
that'll do. So that's kind of like pressurized. Stick our battery in. No, I haven't used one of these before.
No, so it uses the normal tips for like the airless.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got to use like a fine finish low pressure tip with these. And you turn it the opposite way just like a regular gun, I suppose, if you need to unblock it.
Yeah.
Apparently it's ready to go right off the bat. So, on prime. Here's a good spot. Apparently you only need to hold it for a couple seconds. So that's ready to go. Let's give this a test. Alright, where do we want to start? Somewhere. Let's start right here.
Next level. Next level.
Need to get a brush for that.
Yep.
There's no oak spray. We got a brush out.
No, not yet. I'll grab one.
Yeah, just to catch that.
Next level. 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 Level.
Works really well. Easy to hold up, consistent spraying. Like minimal overspray.